So welcome back to day 28. Oh my goodness, we've almost finished this series, and today we're talking about campaigns or seasonal promotions or limited offer concepts with it and things really. So as we're entering into this kind of final countdown to the series, and we've addressed everything that you've built. So you've built the brand, and you've built the brand that people want. But sometimes even the most inspired client needs that little bit of a nudge to actually come in and move from the one day to today, as it were, client. So in other words, they just need that getting around to it option. In the luxury world, we don't do sales, we do limited experiences. Today, we're crafting a seasonal or a limited offer campaign that creates a genuine urgency without ever sacrificing your premium positioning. We're moving away from that discounting and moving towards that exclusivity. That's really what we're trying to achieve, yeah? And in marketing, of course, you know, the limited offers always drive action. The natural human psychology is wired to prioritize what is scarce. By creating a specific window of opportunity, it's kind of just gone past Valentine's Day, and you would have basically had a perfect opportunity to be promoting it then, but you could use this week to show a little bit of love and things. It's never too late, as it were. But you need to prioritize that kind of scarceness. So by creating a specific window of opportunity, a campaign in other words, you motivate a hesitant client to stop overthinking things and start booking. Meanwhile, we're kind of always allowing ourselves to maintain this high-end kind of status and everything else with it. And of course, the great thing about in the creative part of it is that we can design the experience specifically for the campaign or the promotion, and we don't have to actually just look at the discount element and things. So a luxury offer should add value, not strip the price down. Think about a limited edition set, a seasonal floral installation, or a specific signature series like I encourage so many photographers to put together. That done well can enhance the storytelling of your brand and basically encourage that client to come on in. You know, the scarcity amplifies the value all the time. So when you're offering something as a limited offer, it will basically make them sit up and think a little bit more. So when something is available to everyone at all times, it can lose its luster. And you might think at times when you're running promotions that even a promotion can lose its luster because you're running it every other month or whatever it would be. But I promise you, if it's done right, or if it's given new kind of magic, video or graphics or whatever it is, or even new words, it can still look as fresh as it when you first launched it. So a thoughtfully timed opportunity makes your service feel special. It can get coveted and worth the wait by the client. So today, your job is to find the why now for your clients, yeah? So I just mentioned, you know, we just gone past Valentine's Day and things, but the seasonal alignment, does your mood shift with the seasons? Winter, noir, the solstice, the series, the summer scissors, the Valentine love, you know. How can you use these times of the year to create a unique visual mood of the sessions and your marketing as well? Of course, in the same way, instead of just cutting money off the price, you can add a specific piece of wall art or a luxury product that is only available for this campaign as such. So, you know, I've always felt, especially in the UK, clients basically stop coming in because you're putting such a high session price on, and all they get is the session price. Whereas if you can include the session price in a collection, they're much more kind of likely to book because they know what they're going to be getting as well. And once they kind of get something included in the session price, then they're pretty much going to guarantee to spend more if the whole of the experience is done exceptionally well and you have that transformation as a natural part of the experience. What you've really got to make sure as well when you're doing the offers is you have an honesty level. You know, how many of these spots are actually available? The scarcity only works when it's truthful. You only have 5 spots say there are 5 spots, otherwise you've got a never-ending sale on. So to celebrate last week's Valentine's Day, we're giving away 10 sessions, each worth £250 to the first 10 women to apply. Bang. Okay, that's what you want to do. You put a little bit of money behind that and you're going to get a reaction. So your task is to design one seasonal or limited time offer. As I said, the Valentine of last week is a perfect opportunity to do it. Plan the concept, the time frame, and your messaging. Ensure it feels like a specialized experience that adds your client's transformation rather than a kind of a bargain bin sale element. So all you've got to do then at the end of it is ask yourself, would this offer be so irresistible to my client that she would feel she's missing out if she doesn't book right away? If you can tick that box, you've done it right.